Ever watched a video with an incredible background that leaves you amazed? Get ready, because I'm about to unveil the secret to crafting those stunning backgrounds for your videos, all without spending a dime or needing a green screen. Seen those videos with mind-blowing backgrounds? Get ready, because I'll show you how to make AI video background yourself without spending any money or needing a green screen. Stay tuned to learn the secrets behind creating a YouTube background using AI for your videos. Absolutely fascinating, isn't it? This may look like an everyday living room, but watch how an AI YouTube background generator can work its magic and turn this space into something extraordinary in just a few seconds. Fancy a mural background and AI fake studio? How about Mickey Mouse or a statue? Maybe envisioning this area as a cozy cafe? With AI, the options are limitless. And here's the kicker. Everything you see within this frame is real, while the rest is all the incredible work of AI's artistry. Get ready, because I'm about to reveal the best method to make this happen and create best YouTube background AI free. How to make YouTube background free AI Step 1. Shoot the video. But before we start, there are a few essential things you need to remember. Firstly, ensure consistent lighting without any shadows or disruptions, and for the best outcome, remember to use a tripod to keep the camera stable. Number 2. Choose a background that's simple and not overly busy or distracting, because we are going to set up YouTube backgrounds with AI. Thirdly, when recording, stay within a defined frame and avoid moving out of it. Once the recording is complete, let's move on to Step 2. Extracting a snapshot from the video. You can achieve this using editing tools like Filmora, CapCut, or Premiere Pro. However, since we're sticking to a completely free approach, I'll be utilizing an online tool called vidmix.app. This editing tool is remarkably user-friendly, simplifying the entire editing process. Let's navigate to vidmix.app. Here, you'll need to upload the recorded video. Simply click Open and select your video file. Great, it's uploaded. Now, select the desired frame and click Export. Now, choose the PNG format and click OK. Your snapshot will then be downloaded. Once you have the snapshot, let's proceed to changing the background. Moving on to Step 3, altering the background using AI. In this phase, we'll edit the snapshot to craft a creative background for our video. To accomplish this, I'll be using the free AI tool Adobe Firefly. It's a YouTube background generator AI free. It's an innovative addition to Adobe's Creative Suite, enabling quick edits like background removal or repainting with minimal effort. Simply go to firefly.adobe.com, navigate to Generative Film, and click on Sign In. Here, upload the snapshot of your video for YouTube Background AI free online. Drag and drop the snapshot into the designated area. You'll have the ability to remove any elements you don't want in the image. For example, suppose you want to eliminate this white lamp with a stand. Click on Remove and erase the object as shown. Click Remove, and you'll see it completely removed from the image. Now, let's say you want to introduce a new element to this space. Click on Insert. Once you've made the edit, click Save. Navigate to the area where you wish to add the element. Describe what you want to add. Let's say you're thinking of including 3 apples. Type in your description and hit Generate. You'll see various options to choose from, and if you need more, click here for additional choices. Pick the one that fits your desk and click Keep. It seamlessly integrates into the image, as you can see. Similarly, you can add any element to your background. Now, let's add a bookshelf here. Begin by selecting the screen, then search for the bookshelf. Choose your preferred one and click Keep. It will seamlessly merge into place. Likewise, you can add any element to your side desk. Let's add a small office tree here. Start by selecting the screen, then search for the small office tree. Choose your preferred option and click Keep. It will seamlessly blend into place. Similarly, you can add any element to your background. Now, let's add a wall clock here. Begin by selecting the screen, then search for the wall clock. Choose your desired clock and click Keep. It will seamlessly become part of the scene. Similarly, you can add any element to your side sofa. Let's add a puppy dog here. Start by selecting the screen, then search for the puppy dog. Choose your preferred option and click Keep. It will seamlessly fit into place. I noticed that the bookshelves seem to have fewer books inside and some empty spaces, so let's fill them up. Begin by selecting the screen, then search for books. Choose the ones you prefer and click Keep. They will perfectly fill the empty spaces on the bookshelf. Suppose you want to remove this yellow book with a pen. Click Remove to erase the object like this. Click Remove, and you'll see it completely removed from the image. Now, if you want to add a new element, click on Insert. After making the edit, click Save. Navigate to the area where you wish to add the element. Describe what you want to include in this area, for instance, let's say a mobile. Type it and hit Generate, and it will seamlessly integrate into the image. Similarly, you can add any element to your side desk decor. Let's incorporate a desk decor here. Start by selecting the screen, then search for the desk decor. Choose your preferred option and click Keep. It will seamlessly merge into place. You can find any element in a similar way. Once you're content with the new background, click Download, then proceed YouTube Background AI Free Download by clicking Continue. Your image will be downloaded. Now let's open it. You'll notice a watermark on the image. However, don't worry, I'll guide you on how to remove it. Now, on to the next step, adding a new background to the video. Let's return to VidMix, our video editor. Here, you'll find our original video. Simply add the new image we created in Firefly. Click Open File, select the image from here, and click Open. It will be added to the workspace. Now, stretch the image to cover the entire length of your original video. Let's make this new background appear in our video. We'll need to mask only the background portion of our video. Masking allows you to alter specific parts of the image while keeping the rest unchanged. To begin, select the brush option. Now, erase the parts that you want to hide. The watermark has been successfully removed. Ensure you play the video and thoroughly erase the areas you want to change. Click Export, set the bitrate, and then click OK. Provide a name for the video, click Save, and that's it. Your video is now saved on your computer. When we open our video, you can see the background fits perfectly, giving a realistic look. So that's the process. This is how you can create creative backgrounds for your videos using AI. If you're interested, check out our Faceless channel playlist, where we offer numerous videos on creating a channel without showing your face. These methods generate passive income in very short periods. I've explained everything in detail. After watching this video, you can visit the link provided in the video description. Now go ahead and make your video stand out from the crowd. If you found this tutorial helpful, remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Learnify AI for more exciting tutorials. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more cool videos. If you want to watch how to humanize AI content, AI SEO, plagiarism, free text generator tool, bypass AI text detection, click on left. If you want to watch YouTube Shorts AI video content creation, new faceless automation channel niche ideas, online money, click on the right. Thank you for being part of this AI success story. Happy Learnify AI. Goodbye.